What are you holding? Lion. What's that one? Where's the ant? Where's the ant? Where is the duck? Where's the duck, Ben? Where's the duck? What's the sound of the duck? How about the pig? Where's the pig? Uh-oh, where's the pig? Uh-oh, where's the pig? What's the sound of the pig? Oink, oink. Where is the... How about the horse? H is for horse. H, letter H. What's the sound of the horse? How about the kangaroo? Where's the kangaroo? Hop, hop. How about the turtle? Turtle, 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 turtle. Turtle, that's not the turtle. Yay, turtle. How about the cat? Where's the cat? Meow. Meow. Uh-oh, you can't find it. Where's the banana? Banana. It's letter B. I said banana. Where's the apple? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Behind you, Langing. Behind you, there's a cat there. There's the cat. Cat, cat, cat. Hey! Lion. Where's the lion? Where's the lion? Hindi mo kakakita. Yeah. There. Where? The lion is there. Where's the lion? There. No, that's not the stuffed toy. There's the lion, no? Near your left foot. Lion. Ah. Bright boy. Where are you going? What's the other letter? What's letter K? Kangaroo. What does the kangaroo do? Kangaroo? What's that? Can you count? Where's the goat? Letter G. Okay, say bye-bye. Ben. Bye-bye, Ben. Ouchie. You want me